I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious homemade shrimp chips. To begin, gather about 200 grams of fresh shrimp, 400 grams of tapioca starch, and 2/3 of a cup of cold water. You'll also need a half tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and a half teaspoon of ginger powder for authentic flavor. These simple components are the foundation for your crispy, savory snack. Next, we'll prepare the dough. First, blend your cleaned shrimp with water, salt, sugar, and ginger powder until it forms a very smooth paste. Then transfer this paste to a mixing bowl and gradually incorporate about 400 grams of tapioca starch. Knead the mixture for approximately 5 minutes until it forms a smooth, non-sticky dough. Finally, roll the dough into several logs, each about 10 inches long and 3 inches wide, ready for steaming. After shaping, it's time to steam and dry. Place your dough logs on a lightly oiled steamer surface, ensuring they have adequate space. Steam them for about 1 hour over medium-high heat until fully cooked. Once cooled, refrigerate the logs overnight to firm them up. The next day, slice the hardened dough into very thin, approximately 2 mm pieces. Arrange these slices on a rack and sun-dry them for 2 days until they are completely dry and feel like plastic chips. The final step is frying. Pour about 1 inch of vegetable oil into a deep pan and heat it to around 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully drop a small handful of your dried shrimp chips into the hot oil. They will puff up dramatically in just a few seconds. Use a slotted spoon to remove them quickly and place them on a cooling rack to drain any excess oil. Serve your homemade shrimp chips warm for the best crispy, savory experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.